favorite things to do on the internet is fart, burp, and overshare. And drink coffee. ChamberlainCoffee.com. Alright, we got a chore done. God, look, I still got a whole gang on us. It's crazy how me doing things like that will make it so that I never get married. Ow. She kind of is hot. Let's talk about it. You know what I mean? Anyway, I tanned earlier, got really sweaty, then took a nap while sweaty, got more sweaty. Anyway, if you start seeing some crazy subtweets, they didn't. I used to be so, like, I thought, sorry. I just threw up a little bit. A comfy but cute outfit. Like, this is comfy but not very cute. Sorry. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for coming along that emotional journey.